Before cleaning, unplug CleverChef and wait for it to cool after use. The inner pot, rice spoon and steamer tray are all dishwasher safe, but to preserve the non-stick coating on the inner pot, we advise washing it by hand in warm, soapy water. Do not use scouring pads, metal sponges or harsh cleaners. We also recommend avoiding lemon-scented detergents and washing up liquids. The base unit can be cleaned by hand with a damp cloth and a mild cleaning liquid. Wring it out so there's no drips that can go into the machine. And make sure that you get right around the rim of the inner pot and clean the heating plate of any spillages. Please never submerge the base unit in water or any liquid. This will damage the electrical parts. To remove the inner lid, simply press the 2 clips here and remove. Do not try to remove the gasket. This inner lid then clips back into place once clean and dry. Next, hand wash the steam valve, inner lid and condensation cup. These parts are not dishwasher safe. Check the steam valve and inner lid are clean and free of any blockages before cooking. To remove the steam valve, simply take hold like this and pop it off. Again, this will simply slot back into place. You'll find the condensation cup attached to the back of the unit. This simply slides out for ease. Make sure the handle is up when you put it back in or it will get trapped below, like this. That's it. Your CleverChef will now be ready to get cooking or go in the cupboard until next time.